Did you know that you can kickstart your day with a savory muffin packed with nutrients? Try this today. Whip up some savory breakfast muffins. They're easy, delicious, and full of flavor. Start with one simple ingredient, a base of whole wheat flour for added fiber and nutrients. Mix in your favorite veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and shredded carrots for a colorful and nutritious boost. Add some protein by including eggs and cheese or even cooked quinoa for an extra energy boost. The best part? They can be made in under 30 minutes. Imagine a breakfast that is not only satisfying but also keeps you energized for hours, making it perfect for those hectic mornings. These muffins are ideal for meal prep. Bake a batch and store them in the fridge or freezer. When you're ready to eat, just pop one in the microwave or oven for a quick, wholesome meal. They have a delightful golden crust, and when you bite into them, you'll find a burst of savory goodness with every mouthful. You'll love how they fit perfectly into busy mornings. Would you try this? Share your favorite veggie combo for muffins below.